This is how to change the windscreen on an Aprilia RSV4. For this installation, I'll be using a 2019 Aprilia RSV4 RF1100 factory motorcycle. You might want to change the windscreen for a variety of reasons. Some people do just because they like the tinted look as opposed to clear from the factory. They may want a shorter, stubbier shield just for aesthetics. For me particularly, I use the Corsa from Zero Gravity on both this one and the old BMW S1000RR because this design actually was a little bit higher, but what it does is reduce drag by guiding the air up and over the helmet while I'm in a tucked position. The first thing you do is take out the 4 screws, and each screw has a washer on it. So make sure you get the screw in the washer, but you take those 4 screws out and then you slide it kind of back, and there are 2 tabs, one on each side, that catch in here. Now I've already removed the rubber grommets, but your stock shield will have 6 rubber grommets, 2 small ones on each side and then the 2 big ones at the bottom. And you'll take those grommets off and you'll put them on the new windscreen. Again, the 2 big ones at the bottom and then the 4 little ones up at the top. If you really want to be fancy, you can take the Aprilia sticker at the bottom here, which just peels off the back, and you can attach it. Make sure you get it centered nicely, but you can put it on the back of your new shield. And then it might be a bit hard to see, but you can read Aprilia right here. It's just pretty dark, but it is that same Aprilia logo and sticker that you saw from here. Making sure your grommets are all in place and in good condition on the screen. You then find those little tabs in here. Kind of hard to see, but this is the tab for those lower pair of holes on the screen, and the same ones over there. Make sure you're clearing your cables, not pinching any of those. There's that one. And that one. So that should all fit nice and tight there. Just put the same 4 bolts and washers. Don't have to over crank these, but get them snug enough. And there you go. And your new shield is in place. If you haven't done so, please click the link below, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and let's live for today.